Hello. Welcome to Body Tips. Today we are going to learn about full face massage. If you're not yet subscribed, then subscribe now. A full face massage is a great way to relieve stress and tension from your face, neck, and shoulders, and also to promote healthy blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Here's how you can perform a full face massage at home. Start by washing your hands thoroughly to ensure that your hands are clean and free from any bacteria. Apply a few drops of your favorite facial oil or moisturizer on your fingertips and gently massage it onto your face in circular motions. Start from the forehead and work your way down to your cheeks, jawline, and neck. Next, use your fingertips to gently tap your face all over. This will help to stimulate blood flow and promote lymphatic drainage. Now, using the tips of your fingers, gently massage your forehead in circular motions. Start from the center of your forehead and work your way towards your temples. Move down to your eyes, and use your ring finger to gently massage around your eyes in circular motions. This will help to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Next, move down to your cheeks and use your fingertips to gently massage them in an upward motion towards your temples. This will help to lift your cheeks and promote circulation. Finally, use your fingers to gently massage your jawline and neck in upward motions. This will help to release tension and promote healthy blood flow. Remember to be gentle when massaging your face, as the skin on your face is delicate and sensitive. In conclusion, a full face massage is a great way to relax and unwind, while also promoting healthy skin. By taking just a few minutes each day to massage your face, you can enjoy a brighter, healthier, and more youthful looking complexion. Thank you.